Yo, let's get into it, guys. We have CPI. F the countdown, guys. We've got CPI in literally 30 seconds. Okay, we're gonna wait until the countdown is finished, but you know what, let's do this. Who's ready for CPI? I am. 168 people tuning in. Love to see it. Let's go. Let me just take a quick snap of this for the gang them there. All right, it's going downtown today, guys. 172 people locked in. Beautiful. Okay, let's refresh the tab. CPI came out as expected. Everything came out as expected, guys. So I wasn't expecting this. I'm not gonna lie, I was not expecting this to be the outcome. Oh, negative. Okay, perfect. Let's continue sharing this tab. Let's go. Don't forget to like the stream, guys. Yeah, it really goes a long way when you like the stream. All right, make sure you like that stream. Like it up. So the news came out negative, right? Which means we should be looking for buys on XAUUSD. I repeat, we should be looking for a bit of buys on XAUUSD. So yesterday's analysis did not play out, right? Yesterday's gold analysis did not play out, but however, okay, so we're gonna just scrap that for now. Take a look at gold over here. So right now we're just checking to see where is the volume. Where is the volume? Volume has been reached. Let's go into the 5-minute time frame. It's been tapped. Let's go into the 3-minute time frame. Also been tapped. So guys, I think it's safe to say gold might be taken off. I repeat, I think it's safe to say gold might be taken off towards the upside. All right. That's what I think is going to happen though. So with gold, maybe take out London highs. What you guys think? Are you with me or are you against me on this one? You with me or you against me? That's what I think though. Damn, we got 180 people locked in right now. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing to see. So many people locked in. 186 people locked in. Wow. This is just a 1 to 1.5, by the way, guys. So it's nothing too crazy. I won't lie, it's nothing too crazy, but it's there. It's there. You got calling my phone. Can't talk right now, we're streaming. So I do think by 2 o'clock, price is just gonna plummet to the upside. That's what I personally think. Okay, you see that? You see that on screen, guys? So this is my current bias right now, guys, with this is my current bias as we speak when it comes to with the news we just dropped on CPI. It came out negative, so this means we should be looking for short-term buys on XAUUSD. So that's my reason behind this setup over here. So right now I do think that price may continue to push towards the upside, and then at some point we might sell towards the downside. That is what I think is going to happen with CPI. So let me jump into the 5-minute time frame, right? So I'm just going to remove all these indicators here on the screen so you can kind of see it on a clear point of view. What's really going on right now, guys, is price is in a clear downtrend, like we've already mentioned from yesterday's stream. It's making lower lows and lower highs. So at this moment, we have formed a lower low. So we can potentially think that price is going to form a nice lower high at some point. So it can continue to be bearish and move towards the downside. That's my reasoning behind this at this moment in time. So we're just gonna wait a couple of minutes and see how's gold going to react to this. If I wanted to, I can then draw like more trend lines and stuff like that, but I feel like there is no need for us to do that at this moment in time. So this is what we have right about now. So we could draw an internal trend line like so. So as you can see, price is trending within this downtrend bearish trend line. So I do think at some point, hopefully price does come up to that point and we can exploit gold and, you know, try and make sure I take profit gets hit. So this is London's low right here. So this could be a form of support for price to continue to push towards the upside. So that is what I think is most likely going to happen. We're not here to predict, guys. We're not here to predict, oh, this is what's going to happen next. We don't know what's going to happen next. We never know what's going to happen next. But the thing is, we are here to react towards the market's conditions and what the news has to offer. Okay? That is the first things first. We're not here to predict. We're here to react. Okay? And as traders, we have to be sharp with these reactions. All right? So let's just get that straight before we even think about anything else. That's the first things first that we need to understand. We're here to react. So just like the news came out, we reacted to the news, and now we're entering a trade based off the reaction on what we got with that said news event, guys. Okay? Simple. We're not here to overcomplicate nothing. Yeah? We're here to trade smart and correct. And there is a good community for that right now, guys, and that is the FundingRock community. So in the Discord, you can share your trade setups, and this is where you are surrounded by like-minded individuals, right? So with these like-minded individuals on the Discord, you can share your journey, you can share your progress, you can share your setups, and all that jazz. You know, it's good to be in an environment surrounded with other traders. It does really help you, push you to become a better trader, because if you are trading and you don't have any sort of support or any sort of backup, or you don't have anybody to talk to, a community is really, really nice to help you out in that sense. You know, right now I'm sharing the setup on gold. There could be somebody in the community right now that has this exact same setup. And you know what they say, guys, great minds think alike. So yeah, make sure you check out the Discord. First things first, check out the Discord, link in the description. All right. So yes, so now let's go and take a look at some other pairs. I do think GU should be buying. And GU did just that. It literally just bought towards the upside. Should have traded GU instead of gold, guys. So I think GU, let's analyze GU, right? I think GU is going to come up here to the previous day high, and then from that point we can expect sells. So here, so if I was to trade GU today, I'm going for a risky trade. 10 pip stop loss, 1:3. Come on, this is what I'm looking at with GU. It's either you with me or you're against me. Gold right now it's doing a whole lot of nothing. Gold is doing nothing right now, but it's okay. It's a-okay. Man, we have a lot of people tuning in today. We have nearly 200 people from Twitter and YouTube combined. Wow. Everybody must be excited to see what CPI has to offer, because so hopefully we can deliver on this stream, guys. Hopefully the market respects our setup and, you know, we can deliver. That's what I'm hoping for. But the main thing we need to do is not panic. If you panic, you're in the wrong industry if you want to be thinking about panicking and all that kind of stuff. We're not here to panic. We're here to be calm, patient, disciplined traders, okay? Then you can panic after. But first, you need to be calm and disciplined. Once you do that, panicking doesn't even enter your vernacular. It doesn't even come across, you know, it doesn't even cross your mind about panicking. Panic for what? Yeah? You don't have to panic over nothing. You got this. Believe in your setups, believe in your system. Overall, just believe. Even if your setup fails, at least you believed in it. You know? And that's one thing I stand by every single day. I'll come here on stream, guys, and show you guys setups. Sometimes our stop loss gets hit. It's inevitable, yeah? And sometimes it doesn't get hit. Sometimes our take profit gets hit, you know? It's either one way or the other way. And that's what I truly believe. So sometimes, guys, just do it. Yeah? Just flipping do it. Doesn't hurt nobody to try. God loves a trier. W's in the chat, guys. Come on, you know I'm spitting that game today. W's in the chat. Let's go. W's in the chat. Oh, let's take a look at XAU US. Let's take a look at US 30. What did US 30 do? All right, US 30 is pushing P towards the upside. It's pushing P towards the upside. All right. GU, I'm expecting you to come back, and the minute you touch the zone, well, we're looking for those sells on GU. We're not holding back. Muhammad asking, where do you live in Ireland? I live in County Dublin, brother. Why do you want to know my whereabouts? It's a bit strange, but yeah, I live in Dublin. Yes. Stop. Oh, you're from Ireland as well. Okay, okay, makes sense, makes sense. Don't take it the wrong way. I was reacting like that. Sometimes people are just weird on the internet. You know, they just wanna know too much. Okay, so you're from Dublin, bro. Nice. Well, I have to accept what you're saying. So if you are from Dublin, nice one, brother. Or you could just be saying you're from Dublin just for the sake of it. Who knows? Okay, so CPI news came out negative. So let's take a look at gold and see if we could find any potential entries. Just making some content right now. What I'm thinking now, right? Internally, this could be lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This could be our lower high. As you can see, price is showing a lot of signs of rejection right now. So we need to be a little bit careful now. So I need to try and reanalyze and confirm with myself. Am I happy with buys? That's the main thing. Am I happy with buys right now? These entries could have been a bit premature. That is what I'm thinking. And sometimes it's okay. You have to analyze yourself, check yourself, all right, and be like, all right, cool. Maybe I entered a bit too early. Who knows? It is a 1:1, so let's just see how this goes. So right now, guys, we're just playing the waiting game. You already know how the game goes. We're literally just playing the waiting game. And this is the most boring part. The most boring part about trading is the waiting game. Okay, it looks like we're approaching stop loss season, guys. It looks like we are approaching stop loss season right now. Or maybe price is just coming back to fill in this. Who knows? Who knows? Sir Alex Jones, what's going on? Dropping in to drop a heart. Hope you boys trade safe today. Amen. How you doing, man? Hope everything is good on your side as well. And guys, I cannot stress this enough. Don't forget about the Discord community, okay? The Discord community is literally where it's at. I'm not saying the Discord community is going to elevate your trading, but it will help. It will actually help out with the trading. So do yourself a favor, all right? And get involved with the Discord. On top of that, this music is just so calming. Sometimes it just makes 2 o'clock. All right, let's go. Sometimes the music just makes me so sleepy. I'm not even gonna lie. That's how soothing it is. Maybe we should play something else. Maybe we should play some upbeat techno. Okay. Looks like price is a little bit bullish now. Okay, okay, okay. Amazing. So I'm giving this trade 2 hours. By 4 o'clock, I don't care what it's doing. If it's not in profit, I'm closing. And if it is in profit, I'm going risk-free. So let me show you my window of opportunity. So I enter the trade here. We call this New York session. And 4 o'clock, which is going to be over here. I'm out. I'm not involved anymore. I don't care what you do, gold. I don't care. But for now, we're involved. If there's any other pairs you guys want us to take a look at, make sure you drop it in the chat box. That's what the chat box is there for, guys, for us to communicate. So let me know, is there any other pairs you guys want us to take a look at while we're here? We can't look at gold every day. So if there's any pairs you guys are into, AUD, USD, AUD, CAD, Swiss, I don't care, Euro, GBP, give me anything. Let's just take a look at something, you know? Euro USD. All right. Euro USD it is, gang. But let me just say something. If we are bullish on XAU USD, what do you think Euro USD's bias is going to be? Bullish or bearish? Based off what we think gold is doing. So if XAU USD is bullish, do you think Euro USD will also be bullish, or will it be bearish? It's not a trick question, by the way. I'm not trying to catch anybody out. Just asking. Sorry. Waiting for the responses here, guys. I'm waiting for the responses.
Getting this diamond plate. Come with me to get my first ever pieces of jewellery off Bill Jewelers in Dublin City Centre. I had a quick look around, but I was keen on getting this diamond bracelet and these diamond earrings. I tried it on and well, I look good, don't I? Overall, it was a 10 out of 10 experience for my first time getting jewellery. If you're ever in Dublin City Centre and you need jewellery, hit up Bill Jeweler. I look good. I look good, don't I? Come with me.
Bills fans are main.
And relax my the ticky-tacky pop. I walk around town with that guy. When he got by, I just laugh like